Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. Hehe. This is Michael. Report. Babakasyon lang muna si Michael. Punta tayo ng malamig na area. Let's go! Napainit ko lang yung car tapos biyahe na tayo. Ang flight ko is 9:10. Papunta ng Dubai and then Dubai to Tbilisi. We'll see. Let's go. Papunta ako ng Tbilisi para sa bakasyon. Bakasyonista. So sa Tbilisi, hindi ko alam kung anong itsura ng lugar. So wala akong kakilala doon. Na tayo for travel lang, vacation. So wala lang, bibili lang ako din ng try ko lang yung wine nila. Actually recommended lang siya ng friend. Recommended lang siya ng kaibigan. So let's try kung ano nag-a-advise sa atin sa Tbilisi. Bali, ito yung travel ko. Unang travel ko papuntang malamig na lugar. Kasi lagi lang ako sa mga mainit na lugar. So, this is my first time. Sana, enjoy. Anong meron sa Tbilisi? Anong pwede natin gawin doon? Pwede natin kainin, pwede natin puntahan. So, malalaman natin yan pagdating natin doon. So, dito pa rin ako sa Muscat Airport. At pasakay pa lang ako papunta ng Dubai. And then Dubai to Tbilisi. Enjoy! Dahil piling vlogger ka. So, airport tuloy. Dito na ako ngayon sa Tbilisi. It's my first time here. Medyo malayo lang pala yung bahay. Ang ganda dito. Ganda ng klima. It's like ano ba? Developing country. Pero malinis. Maganda yung klima. Yung road, ang ganda din. Daming mga new building. On construction pa. Under construction. Parang talagang nasa Baguio. Kasi marami silang pine tree. Saka kalimutan ang tawag dun sa puno. Pero marami silang pine So, nakarating na ako sa hotel. So, first time ko sa Tbilisi. Ngayon, ito ako sa may mag-walking-walking. Tapos hanap ng pagkain. Hindi pa ganun kalamig pero malamig na. Enjoy lang. So hanggang gabi tayo maglalakad. Hanggang madaling araw. Ayan yung church. Tama ba? Ayan yung church. Ayos siya, maganda. Dito ako sa church. So maglalakad lang ako. Dito tayo sa street. Kung ako anong pangalan niyan, pero mukha siyang Malacanang. Ito kami kumain. Ganda.
Called Twishi. It's a white and semi-sweet wine. Twishi is a microzone. It's a place in west side of Georgia in Lechumi region, and grape's name is Solikauri. It's a white grape, and as a rule from white grape in Georgia, we always make dry wine. Because in white grape is not enough naturally sugar to make a naturally semi-sweet wine. But except this, because of this climate, technology and soil, in this case, from white grape we can make naturally semi-sweet wine. For sweetness we don't add anything inside. That's why this wine you can drink with desserts and salads because it's too sweet. And this wine has aroma of pear and citruses. It's a white semi-sweet dessert wine, okay? In this have a minus, and inside we have ice. With minus and with ice, we stop artificial fermentation process. If we don't stop this process, wine becomes dry, then maybe it will turn to vinegar, okay? And with minus, we artificial stop this process, the dry wine stays semi-sweet. Kings Baraulis, this wine has a benefits. If somebody has a low blood pressure or low hemoglobin, it's always right both. That's why in Georgia we always joke that Kings Marauli is not wine. It's like a Georgian medicine, which you should drink minimum 1 glass all day, okay?
Best enough. Thank you. May suka nga siya. So, in-stop nila yung ibang klase ng fermentation kasi nagiging suka siya, kalaunan.
In Racha region, and only there grows 2 types of grapes, Murjuriatuli and Alexandrouli. Then we mix, we blend the those grapes, and we make this wine. But problem is that those type of grapes are very, very rare. That's why this wine is a limited edition wine, quite not exported, and this is one of the most expensive red and semi-sweet wine in Georgia. This wine is also semi-sweet like a previous Kings Marauli, but Huanchcara is not so sweet. Inside you can feel balance, little bit sweetness you can feel inside. It's little bit acidity, more. Enough and for them more.
I will say Gamar, you say again Jos, and for third time, when I will say Gamar, 3 times you say Jos, and simultaneously raise your hand, okay?
Yes. Please, Beatrix and Nick, okay? Now my dress it used to be a victory, to be a winner always, okay? Nice. Yeah. Salamat.
Thank you so much. Joe's. This one is the most expensive that they have here. So, we try it. At matutulog na ako after.
Cognac, Helicam. Because cognac is a region in France, so we call the brandy. But technology absolutely same. We distilled white and dry wine, we make grape spirit. Then this grape spirit we age like this old barrels. This is a French oak, and because of these barrels inside you can feel good vanilla and chocolate. 40% alcohol inside for the raw, okay? It's a strong alcohol, but it's very smooth because it's 10 years old.
10 years old?
Yes, prefer.
This next one is, ano daw? 10 years? 10 years old. 10 years old. Let's try. Oh my God. So, ito naman iba din. Hi. Ito naman kami sa another place. Shop na mismo. Hindi na dun sa factory. So, tapos na kami sa wine tasting. Balik na kami sa, tawag dito? Saan kami babalik? Balik na kami sa hotel. Grabe, nakakalasing. Bakit kami sa canyon? Bakit kami dun? Yan. Ito, maglalakad tayo.
Kailangan tatapunta ka sa Hong Kong, di aring hindi.
Ano?
Kailangan tatapunta sa Hong Kong.
Init. Mainit na malamig.
Let's do this! Main road. Visit at main. Yan na.
Direction. Shit, ang init. Shortcut na tayo.
Baka tayo makanta. May pantong mo yung ano. Ganyan. Shortcut na nga ihanip.
Naman, shortcut.
Sa car mo.
Ito pala yung daan. Ang init. Ito pala yung daan. Punta pala dyan. Ito yung daan pala. Ito ang canyon.
Di ba may purpose yung tripod mo? Hindi na isip ko agad. Hindi, ako nag-suggest.
Merong ilog. Ito yung dalawang kasama ko. Magpakita kayo.
Hi!
Welcome to my vlog. This is another episode of Mic Test. So may hagdan na naman pala. Shit. Medyo mataas to. This is the canyon. Wala pa, nandun pa sa taas. Oh. Grabe yung taas. Some exposure.
No, they built this. They built this place.
I'm from Manila.
Manila, yeah.
Quezon City.
Big city,
Say
yeah?
hi with my friends.
Hi. Hello, Philippines. Let's take one home, bro.
Oh my God. So, ang sabi nila, yung canyon daw ay gawa ng mga lizard. Pero hindi yung maliit na lizard. They said na yung malalaking lizard. So, may mga malalaki palang lizard before. So, nandito kami sa ganda. Ito yung isa sa mga cave.
Kuya, ito.
Yung canyon. Tapos tayo.
Right. Bro, these are the wrong shoes, 100%.
Yeah, it's slippery. Ito ata yung daan. Papunta dun. Mga sulok-sulok na yan. Maraming lizard. And malilit na sila ngayon. But they believe na nung araw, nung panahon pa ni, hindi ko alam, basta nung panahon pa ni Kopong Gopo, malalaki daw yung lizard. And they are the one who created this beautiful canyon. It's really nice. Beautiful. Nature works. This is what nature works. It's really natural. Look at this. Oh my God. So nice and beautiful. Look at this also. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God, ang ganda. So, pero pinakataas. Pero, kailangan ko ganun. Ganda.
Ah, kuya, sige, sige.
Sige, sige.
May insurance naman. Sobrang taas. So there's a laser. Look at that. This is breathtaking. Oh my God.
Wow!
Si bakla.
Tignan mo kasi nasa dulo siya.
Huwag tayo suma.
Pwede mo kasi skate.
Kaya nga, okay na ka, katusampaw. Pampait sa Doha. Huwag ka tumawa.
Sakit na ng paa ko.
Ano kasi naatupag mo?
May bantay dito na aso, pero dito talaga siya. So, abangan nyo kung makakababa ba kami. Daming tourist. So, meron akong video ng resort. Resort. Yung bababa, yung medyo masakit sa paa. There's more stuff to go. Grabe. Isang oras tayong nag-aakyat sa canyon.
Isang oras?
Oo.
Hindi pa tayo nag-start.
Sakit sa paa. So, natapos na yung aming canyon tour. Grabe. Ganda. Sarap ng pakaramdam na nandun ka sa taas. Super nice.